All right, so here we are going to be reacting Ca2 plus, and we're going to be reacting nitrate. So we're going to write Ca2 plus, and then we're going to be combining that with the chemical nitrate. So I want you guys to go to your polyatomic chart right here, and I want you guys to copy down the formula for nitrate. Okay, so I'll give you guys like 30 seconds to do that. If you take a look at the polyatomic chart, nitrate is right here on the top right, and it's going to be NO3 minus. So NO3 minus. Now remember, the 3 has nothing to do with the positive or negative energy. The 3 is just telling you you got 3 oxygens in nitrate. Okay, nitrate is -1. God bless you. Okay, so we got Ca2 plus and nitrate, which is -1. So if it's +2 and -1, which one do we need more of? Yeah, NO nitrate, right? We're going to need a total of 2 nitrates because this is +2 and -1. So we just put a 2 in front of the nitrate. Okay. So again, it's the same thing we've been doing. I know it looks a little bit more complex, a little bit more numbers. But again, just look at the positive and the negative energy, okay? And then we just put a 1 in front of Ca because it's 1 calcium reacting with 2 nitrates. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Hopefully not too bad. All right, so we're going to write down the chemical that they make. We're going to make 1 chemical, so we're going to write 1. And like I told you last time, I think it's just easier if you just write down the 2 ions next to each other just to start. And then we can put the numbers and the parentheses later. So just copy down Ca and NO3. All right, since we only need 1 calcium, we can leave it alone when it comes together. But we need 2 nitrates, right? So we need 2 of this entire thing right here, the entire NO3. So we put parentheses around the whole thing, and then we just put a 2 behind it. Okay, just to show we need 2 nitrates in total. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much what we've been doing. We learned about the parentheses last time. Again, you only use the parentheses for things from the polyatomic chart. So I'll jot that down if you want to, but only use parentheses for polyatomic ions. Okay, you don't need parentheses if you need multiple like calciums. If you need 2 calciums, don't put parentheses, just put a 2 behind it. Okay, and that's because it comes from the periodic table. Okay. All right, so let me give you guys about 3 minutes. You guys can finish copying that down, and I want you guys to try number 2 with the person next to you. See if you guys can get the parentheses and the numbers and everything correct. We'll go over it in about 3 minutes, and then we'll get started on the assignment. Okay, so here for number 2, we're going to be reacting ammonium and O2 minus. So we're going to go to the polyatomic chart and find ammonium. So if you guys take a look right here, you guys should see ammonium on the top left. You guys all see it right here. It's going to be NH4 plus. So on my paper, I'm just going to copy down NH4 plus. Okay, this is ammonium right here. All right, so we got ammonium, and then it is going to react with O2 minus. So I'm going to copy down O2 minus. So ammonium and O2 minus. Now, remember that the plus right here is going to be +1. I know there's a 4 down here, but ammonium is +1 charge. So if we take a look at these two, which one do we need more of?
NH.
Yeah, NH4, right? Ammonium. So we're going to need a total of 2 of these because it's +1 to balance out the -2 right here. Okay? So we'll need 2 and then 1. All right, now they're going to react together. So like I told you before, it's always easiest if you just write the names next to each other. So NH4 and O's. Just write them right next to each other. Okay. Okay, so since we need 2 of this entire thing right here, right? We need 2 ammoniums. We're going to put NH4 inside of parentheses and put a 2 behind it. Okay, and since we only need 1 oxygen, you just leave it alone. And that's it. Okay, that's going to be how you write that equation. All right, so I'll give you guys the rest of the class period to work on your assignment. And there's a new assignment. It's called Polyatomics Practice. So check that on Canvas. If you didn't finish the stuff from last time, make sure you guys finish that up as well. And let me know if you guys got any questions, okay?